Let me save you a dumb, expensive mistake. If you're thinking about moving to Tulsa in 2026, do not make this decision off vibes, a couple TikToks, and a late night Zillow scroll, because Tulsa will either feel like the first deep breath you've taken in years, or it'll feel like you've moved for the wrong reasons and now you're stuck owning that decision. This is what living in Tulsa actually feels like. Day to day, real life. Not the brochure, not the hype, not the scare stories, the pace, the money, the lifestyle, the fun, the storms, all of it. So if you're coming from out of state, this is the kind of reality check that saves people from making a move they regret. Quick intro, I'm Michael Savith. I'm a realtor here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I work with people relocating from out of state who want to get the move right the first time. If Tulsa is on your short list this year, comment Tulsa or check the description below and reach out directly. All of my information is down there. Now let's talk real life. So the first thing people notice when they get here isn't the house, it's their day. You're not fighting traffic to grab dinner, you're not planning your life around congestion, you're not rushing everywhere like the world's on fire. Your time comes back, some people feel relief immediately, then they think, damn, is this what life is supposed to feel like? Other people get uncomfortable because they realize the chaos they came from was also a distraction. People love to talk the cost of living like it's a headline. The real win is pressure coming off of your chest. Housing doesn't eat your paycheck, going out doesn't require mental gymnastics, saving money does not feel impossible. You can actually breathe. And when people finally breathe, you see it in how they live. They're lighter, they're present, they're not snapping at everyone because life feels like a treadmill set to max speed. This is where Tulsa gets misunderstood. Tulsa, it's not boring. There are legit restaurants here, bars people actually want to hang out in, live music all over the city, comedy shows, festivals, sports, gyms, coffee shops where people actually want to talk and mingle. You can go out on a random Tuesday and still feel like you have a life. And the best part is you don't have to fight a million people just to enjoy it. Now let's talk about the weather. If you're new to Tulsa, the first big storm rolls in and you are stressed. Weather app is open, notifications blowing up, texting your family like you are in a disaster movie. Meanwhile, the locals are on the porch like myself, watching the clouds roll in with a cold one like it's free entertainment. Storms come through, people prepare, and life keeps on moving. Here's the real filter whether Tulsa fits you. If you want more space, more breathing room, and a real life without constant chaos, Tulsa can be a great move. If you need nonstop noise, constant hype, and zero quiet moments to feel alive, Tulsa may feel slower than you expect. Not better, not worse, just fit. All right, guys, so if this short video helped you think clearer, hit that subscribe button. I post content on relocation, first-time home buying, seller strategy, mindset, real talk, and everything Tulsa, Oklahoma, because mastering your mind is how you own your future. All of my information is down below in the description if you want to reach out and actually talk through your situation. And until next time, I will see you in the next one.